Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and saving a backup. This prevents accidental changes. Next, go to the review ribbon so you can access proofing tools immediately. Make sure the document language matches your intended spelling rules, otherwise suggestions will be wrong. Once done, enable automatic spell check and grammar in file options, proofing so Word underlines issues as you type. This first step gets real-time feedback and prepares you to run the comprehensive check that follows. You now run the built-in checker by selecting Review then Spelling and Grammar. This starts a focused review from the cursor position. As Word highlights each issue, choose Change to accept a correction, ignore if the word is correct, or add to dictionary for names and terms you use often. Pay attention to context-sensitive suggestions like its versus its and formatting-sensitive items such as acronyms or numbered lists. Once you reach the end, Word summarizes changes, so you can confirm nothing important was finished by rerunning the spell check after you accept edits. You want a clean pass. Use Read Aloud to hear sentences. This helps catch homophones and rhythm problems that spell check misses. If you repeat the same mistakes, customize auto-correct entries and update your custom dictionary so Word stops flagging deliberate words. If spell check misses errors, make sure the proofing language is correct and that all proofing tools are installed. If not, install the language pack and try again to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.